Hi folks, so we're going to take a ride on my tractor because I want to show you all the clearing I've been doing, and then of course how much more I got to do. So if you have sensitive ears, it's not super loud, but certainly loud enough. As you can see over here, got the couple of piles of wood. Now I'm saving these pieces because I'm going to use them for construction of something I'm planning for. And then you got all the tree stumps. One right here. Pretty good size ones, some of them. My maple tree, sugar maple, I had to cut it down. Half of the tree was rotted. I didn't realize it because it was hidden to the backside. It was actually more than half. As you can see, all these rocks, and that's definitely not one of the bigger ones there. That's probably about a 700-pound rock boulder. And here's one here, probably about 100 pounds, 50 or 100 pounds maybe. I have ripped out some of these stumps. Hopefully you folks can hear me. I have ripped out some of these stumps with this tractor. But some of them are just so huge. You know, I'll give you some examples here. Because these trees ahead of us, they had actually fallen over from the wind and rain here in the woods. This isn't even one of the bigger root systems here. Pause, turn that off for a minute. That's not even one of the bigger ones there. That one was huge, but I actually tore it to smithereens. I've tore 80% of it off of there with this tractor, so that way I can move it out of my way. This is my pile of brush right here. Right in the middle. Oh, I actually worked on this yesterday, clearing this all around the pile. Now, more of these trees are going to come out, like over this way. I'm going to go probably another 30 feet, and I'm going to clear straight up, all the way up to the garage, which you really can't see. Well, you can see the roof right there. So I'm going to go 30 feet further that way, 25, 30 feet. Okay, here we go. I probably knocked down this tree right here. This is a dead tree. Let's give it a shot. Let's see. Yeah. If I buck it up. I usually don't do this with a camera in my hand, so it's going to be a little challenging to do. Switch it into first gear. That there, first gear. All right, up there. Aha! Woohoo! That was pretty rotted. Fun stuff. Yeah, let's finish it off. Ready? There we go. Drop that sucker right in half. So, anyhow, this is a pretty handy dandy little tractor. I mean, it's not a Tonka toy. It might be a what you might call a gentleman's farmer size tractor. But it's still a heavy duty piece of equipment. So anyhow, I'm gonna continue on here. See, this is the size of that tree that was uprooted. Right there, that's about 16 inches. And it actually fell into that other tree right there. See it there? I cut it the other day. Dropped one of the sections there. So this is the end of the line. As far as where I've stopped. Turn this off for a minute. So, yeah, I mean, I plan to make paths like this path here that we're on. Yeah, let me show you back here. Like this path here that we're on. I plan on making more paths through here. You know, and I'm just basically going to let the grounds and the trees direct my path. For instance, if you look straight through there, there's not really any trees. Now, if there's dead trees, I will knock those over, but I will go straight through there where there's no trees. And it actually looks like, see, it's getting a lot thinner the further back I come onto my property, which, believe me, I love that because it was so thick before when I first started. I mean, literally holding your hand in front of your face like this, you could not see your hand. That's how many saplings and that's how many trees there were. So there it is. That's the tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the ride on my tractor. And I'll talk to you in the next one.